Hi, this is Erica, and this is video for week 11. Okay, well, I did try picking a lot of websites to screen scrape. Most of the websites would kick me out. I guess not allowed screen scraping. This is one of the websites that I could find. It's about America enters the Great War, World War One, which happened in 1917. So I was trying to screen scrape this page, and well, here is all the tags that I have for this page. And my code is right here. So I have requests, beautiful soup, get, and the CSV. So I have the website right here, the URL website right here, and the beautiful soup. And well, this is one of the issues that I had. This will open a file. This will open a CSV file. It just won't write on it, and I'm not sure why. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. This week has just been like a really hard week because nothing seems to be working the way it was supposed to. So, um, right here, when I run this code, you will see that it creates the Excel file, but it's empty. And I don't understand why. I don't understand why it's empty. I just want to show it to you that it's empty. See? It's just empty. There is nothing on it. Not sure what I'm doing wrong here. So okay, this is where my code starts. So I have the soup find, and this div will give me the American enters the Great War. So if you look over here, let's go back here because I want to show you. Hold on. Right here. This div will give me all this information, the content information right here. This one also works. Sorry about that. My dog just went crazy. So like I was saying, I tried with this one, I tried with this one. Both of them will work, to be honest. Both of them will give me the heading. None of them will give me the paragraphs, which starts right here. None of them will work for the paragraphs, and I swear I tried like all the tags I would to see if I could get this paragraphs to work. It's just somehow I can't find a tag that is linked to these paragraphs to make them to work. Um, so if we go back here, article is soup.find, and this is the div that I used to pick all the article, which is that one that I show you. So here is when I run the code, okay? This is like for the whole thing. This is for the whole website right here. Let me just print this one. Let me run this again. All right. So this is just that part, the tag that I picked, which is this part right here. So right here, this is the picture, which is linked to this div. That's not what I want. I want to start it from here on April 2nd, 1917. Can't find. I've tried this div, doesn't work. I've tried this div, will give me the picture, that's not what I want. I've tried this div, will give me spring 2017, volume 49, number 1. It's not what I want. So I just can't seem to find a tag that will link me to the paragraph. So when I run this code, let's go all the way down there. I have here America enters the Great War, Wilson. That's the second heading, so I have heading 1, heading 2, which will link me to the American enters the Great War, Wilson struggles as he prepares for nation for World War I. This is heading 2. Summary, this is where I was telling you that I've been trying, and I can't find which is gonna link me to the paragraph. And when I try the div, paragraph will give me the spring, which is not what I want. So I kind of get what needs to be done. I get what needs to be done, but to be honest, I don't know what's wrong here. I don't know if it's the website. I don't know if it's my code. I don't know what's going on. Well, that's it. Thank you.